Hello friends, I'm Surinder Singh Kukul, former Dean, College of Agriculture and Professor of Soil Conservation in Department of Soil Science, Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. In fact, based on my 30 plus years of teaching experience, both as a professor and as an administrator, what I could conclude that any course may be spread over 30 lectures, 35 lectures, that is based on a few concepts, not more than 5, 6 or at the most 10 concepts. Now, here the duty of the teacher is to explain those concepts, and if your students are able to understand those concepts, they will be easily able to understand the whole course. This is my belief, this is what I have been observing. Now, it is art of the teaching, art of teacher, how he tries to explain those concepts in a very simple way. Because it is said that a good teacher is that teacher who makes the things simpler, who tries to transform that knowledge existing in the books to the minds of the students in an easy and interesting way. So, this came to my mind that why not to have some concepts in soil physics, just I explain it, because another thing I have seen that when you explain this concept in your class for the first time, not more than 15% students are able to understand that concept, and you can just judge it by from the faces of the students. And if you try to explain it for the second time, so that number may go up to 30 or at the most 35%. Now, the rest of the 70% students, they have this in mind that okay, I'll go to my hostel room, I go to my home, consult with my fellow classmates, and then I'll try to understand from them. So, this idea came to my mind that just for the benefit of those students, they can go to their respective hostels or homes and then download that lecture if it is already there, pre-recorded lecture. Repeatedly they can watch that lecture, they can listen to that lecture, and they can very easily grasp the concept, provided the concept has been explained in very easy and interesting way. So, they need not to consult their classmates, they have ready to use those YouTube lectures. So, I thought that it will be a noble gesture on my part, because I have been teaching soil physics for the 30 plus years, and based on my experience, whatever knowledge I have in the field of soil physics, I thought to transform to younger generation of teachers as well, apart from the students. So, I hope that I'll be able to complete this assignment. This huge task is there, it's not an easy task, and perhaps at this stage of my life when I'm not so energetic, but still I'm trying my best. So, I request the younger generation of teachers, especially before going to class, you just download these lectures, just listen to these lectures, and then understand the concept and try to transform that concept to the students. So, I am sure that students as well as younger generation of teachers, they will be able to benefit out of this whatever exercise I am doing, and I'll be very happy if I get comments from my fellow colleagues and even from students how to improve these lectures. Thank you very much.